Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. Right now we're going to show you how to put the cover on a Tuttnauer Autoclave. Manual and automatic are pretty much the same. You're going to need your Phillips screwdriver, and you are going to need the screws that you took off in the first place. So what I am going to do is obviously make sure the unit's unplugged. It makes things very difficult. So what I'm going to do, this is the back. There's two grounds. One ground goes to the other cover. The other ground, this ground goes to the back cover. So I got a ground hooked up here. And then I got one screw. I like to either put the bottom middle one in first or this one. So also, before you put the cover on, you're going to want to make sure that all your, I forget what these are called, but these are what accept the screw. So you're going to want to make sure that they're all in place. So there should be two here, one on the top here. There's two on either side, one on the back. You got one here, you got one here, and one here, and one here. You're going to want to make sure they're all in place, because it's happened to me too many times where I get the whole cover on and the last screw I go to put in, it's not in place, so then you got to take the whole cover off. So let's, I'm going to save you teach you a couple tricks. So anyways, here, we're going to put the cover on here, put the ground on here, where you got all our things in place. And now I'm going to screw this one in. I like to put the back on first, because then I got something to anchor the front to, or the top to. So I'm tighten that screw here, go here, show you. And then I got this one right here. I take that one, go like this, boom. Then I'm gonna position the autoclave like that. Again, we're gonna look at this as the top cover. We're gonna make sure everything's in place. Also, you got your ground right here. So I like to come in, kind of hang it off the back a little bit, and then I will put the ground on first. So I'm hanging off the back. I got the ground on. Put it in there. Okay, so the ground's on. Okay, now, so you can see here, I'm gonna just come to the back here. I'm gonna pick this up. I got two hands on it, and I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna lay it over the front edge, and then you see how this is basically an interlocking tab. You interlock that and that, and then it sits like this. Oop, that's wrong. That goes behind it there like that. So now it's pretty much in place. Now I can go through, put my screws in. I like to put a couple threads in, not tighten them all, because sometimes when you tighten them all, the cover's pretty, you can't get other ones in. So I like to loosen them all, get a couple hand tight, so all my holes line up. Sometimes those little stopper, or the little things that hold the screws or accept the screws move, I don't have that one all that way in, it's just a little bit loose. A couple threads in. Go back here, a couple threads in. Also, so we're going to want to make sure that, see how this lip is? We're going to make sure it's around the front. This lip is around the top here. And then also the lip is around the front there. And then screw in here. Also, there's a rubber gasket under here. You want to make sure that's in place. Screw here. And we got a screw here. Back here, tight, tight, tight. You don't have to over crank these. If you do, you'll end up stripping it out, and then it's just kind of useless. Then you got to cut some stuff, drill some stuff to take it off. I recommend not over tightening anything. All right, and last but not least is this side. All right, put on the camera. Okay, yep, this is that's pretty much it. So then you'll go around and tighten all the screws. And again, you want to make sure the lips are here, everything's lined up properly. You want to look at the top, make sure the holes lined up properly. The back, everything's screwed in. You want any ground wire smashed in here, but that's pretty much it. That's how you install the cover on a Tuttnauer Manual Autoclave. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Otherwise, if you like this video, please share it. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more Tuttnauer troubleshooting videos. Thank you.